In this video, we are going to talk about 10 best affiliate programs for beginners to make money. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. If you're still trying to figure out what affiliate marketing is, it's best if we start from the beginning. Simply said, affiliate marketing is when you join up to sell a firm's or a network's goods or services. A network is an organization that contains various offers from different companies. When someone buys something or performs a specified activity, you usually get paid a commission. These desired activities may include someone purchasing a product on Amazon via a link on your blog or completing an offer from one of the affiliate networks we'll discuss later in this tutorial. When the traffic you sent to the retailer's offer completes a desired action, you are paid a commission. This money is usually part of the internet marketing budget of the firm or affiliate program. 1. Amazon Associates. Even if you're just getting started, if you've done any research on affiliate programs for beginners, you've probably heard of the Amazon Associates program. When it comes to generating money via this monetization approach, the Amazon affiliate program is the gold standard. There are hundreds, if not thousands, of tutorials and courses available on how to earn a life using this network. It's no wonder that the show is at the top of our list given its popularity. However, there are a few things to think about while using this application. Amazon is not an affiliate network, but rather an e-commerce business. The majority of the other programs on this list are affiliate networks, which merely manage the link between you and the affiliate offer's real firm. Setting aside the program's popularity, you may be asking what the advantages of using this affiliate program in your company are. 2. CJ, Commission Junction. Commission Junction is a massive affiliate network that partners with businesses and promotes their goods all over the world. It has a track record of being a wonderful alternative for individuals just starting out in the affiliate industry, with over 20 years of expertise. 3. Impact. Impact is another wonderful affiliate network to consider when initially starting out in affiliate marketing, since it leads the way in dashboard functionality and user interface, UI. This tool is ideal for people who need additional performance indicators to assist them make business choices, since it has an easy interface with extensive performance monitoring and reporting. 4. A-Win is a typical online marketplace, comparable to Amazon and Etsy, with over 13,000 active advertisers in its affiliate network. The items and services covered by this program are divided into 4 categories: traditional loans, personal banking, property, savings and investments, credit cards, and insurance. Business offerings fall within the category of finance and insurance. Clothing, accessories, gadgets, and other items fall under the category of retail and shopping. Telecommunications and services. This category covers deals on education, training, web hosting, and other services. Cruises, vacations, railroads, hotels and lodging, auto rentals, airlines, and general tourism are all examples of travel. A-Win provides a variety of digital goods and services in a variety of genres, so affiliates may advertise any of the aforementioned categories. The platform works well as a marketplace for content providers, site owners, influencers, and technology-based partners that wish to promote their goods by forming beneficial partnerships. 5. ShareASale. Another prominent name on this list is ShareASale, which works with the A-Win network. The service utilizes cutting-edge technology to assist affiliates and merchants in collaborating on effective marketing campaigns. Client services on this network include tools to help you start and expand your own affiliate company, as well as a large selection of brands and items to pick from. 6. VigLink. Sovereign. VigLink, formerly known as Sovereign, is an affiliate network that takes a different approach to typical affiliate marketing tools. Sovereign bought VigLink to extend its publisher monetization platform, which was launched in 2009 to enable publishers commercialize their content by adding affiliate links automatically. 7. Skimlinks. Skimlinks, like VigLink, Sovereign, features an automated link building mechanism that its affiliates may use by simply adding a piece of code to their website. Skimlinks is unique in that it automatically converts ordinary links from over 20,000 internet shops into affiliate links with no work on your part. Skimlinks will deduct 25% from the price of this link building service. Merchants do not pay you. Instead, the Skimlinks program generates money from all merchant commissions. 8. ClickBank. Another affiliate network behemoth, has more than 6 million customers globally and has been active for more than 20 years. It is well known for paying out some of the highest commission rates to its affiliates, up to 75% in certain cases, and making it simple to enroll. 9. Rakuten Advertising. Previously Rakuten Marketing, is a global affiliate marketing company with over 150,000 publishers and businesses. The organization claims to be the world's biggest pay-for-performance affiliate marketing network, and it provides a fantastic program for affiliate marketing newbies. 10. Aces Hardware. That's correct. One of the most well-known brands in the United States for tools and home improvement has its own affiliate program, which is a terrific alternative for anyone wishing to start advertising content in this niche. This affiliate program is fantastic since it offers such a diverse choice of items to pick from, as well as the inherent trust you earn from having a high-quality brand name that most people have heard of in this industry. The Ace Hardware affiliate program has a lot of helpful resources for people who are just started in affiliate marketing, as well as some unique incentives not available in other programs. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.